with care. G is for gloomy, comma, dark purple delight. H is for horn and melon, spiky and bright. Spin, twirl, take a bite. Fruits are tasty, fresh and bright. Juicy, crunchy, sour and sweet. Come and taste this fruity treat.
I is for Indian, almond, smooth and bold. J is for Jadatoba, golden old. K is for Kakadu, plum, vitamin strong. L is for longanberry, small but long. M is for maki berry, deep as the night. N is for nungu, jelly and light. O is for otahete, apple, pink and grand. P is for pindan, walnut found in the sand.
Q is for kwandong, peachy surprise. R is for raisin tree fruit, tiny but wise. S is for sugar berry, sticky and sweet. T is for torpedo melon, an oval treat. U is for uvaya, golden so bright. V is for vanilla bean, smelling so right. W is for water apple, juicy delight. X is for tsiqua melon, red inside. Y is for Yunnan hackberry, tart and true. Z is for Sisyphus Spinosa, chewy for you. Now we've soared through space today. A fruity galaxy came our way. Sing again, shout hooray. We'll explore more, just you